Well, this is making biotypes, biotope aquarium from simple stuff around the house. This is just a tote that sat outside and collected leaves. It has natural tannings. I raised peat puffers in here to start with. It's just a little basket. It's just a little lamp. It's simple. Bio sponge filter. I got neons in here and mosquito fish right now. Let's see if we could find them. The neons usually hang out over here. I would like to locate them up to the other tannin tank with the salamanders in it, and put some cardinal tetras in there with them, because you can see cardinal tetras in this kind of water very well. I don't know why the neons aren't out right now. I must be scaring them. I mean, they're gotten used to me. I'm just missing them. Let's look closer. Little mystery snail. The mosquito fish. Oh, there he went. Okay, they're under the heater. Under the basket, but that's the mosquito fish. Usually the neons are out and about, but I've already fed everybody tonight. I think that heater's on right now. Here's another example. And another example.